You guys, I am shook right now. Hey guys, and welcome to Living with Lisa. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on these Better Length 3C 4A 20-inch clip-ins. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I purchased these clip-ins on the 15th and they got here on the 19th. So it really only took like 4 days, and I think it was actually supposed to come on the 22nd. However, they decided to come early, so I'm not complaining. And I was able to be fly this weekend with my new long hair because, honey, I truly feel like this is my real hair because it just looks so natural. Like, I'm shook right now. But honestly, I'm super happy I went with the 20-inch because like our curly hair shrinks, the clip-ins shrink as well. So this is honestly my first time really purchasing some clip-ins that have a kinky curly texture. You know, my biggest fear is always having that synthetic unbelievable look. So when I saw these, I was like, man, that looks like that girl's real hair. And because a lot of times people have their own leave out at the top, it really is able to blend in. And that's why it's so important to honestly get a texture that is similar to your own so that it blends in really well. So let's talk about costs. With tax and shipping and everything, this ended up being $290. Don't judge me, okay? I know these are expensive, but I feel like if you take care of them and the fact that I can get a lot of longevity out of them, I think that this is a great purchase in the long run, especially if, you know, you have somewhere quick to be and you don't feel like doing your hair and your hair is not cooperating. Slap these in, put a little bit of leave out, and go about your business. Anyways, let's get down to the nitty gritty and let me show you guys how I install these clip-ins. All right, you guys, so let's get it cracking. This is how the hair comes. Before you install these clip-ins in your hair, you want to wash with a sulfate-free shampoo, and you want to condition this hair while it is still attached to the gold strings. So basically, I am doing a middle part. And if you can see my leave out, I have a little piece at the back that will cover the tracks. And I also have 2 pieces that will cover the tracks on the side, and I left my edges out as well. So I did 8 flat twists, going from the top to the bottom, and then I left out a small piece out in the back so that if I wanted to do ponytails, it would be easy and blend better. However, I also bobby pinned my twists in the back together. So let's get started attaching the clips. There are 10 in total, and I like to start with a 2F at the nape of my neck. Next, we're gonna add a 3 clip, and we're gonna add that on top of the 2 clip. And then I wanna add a 4 clip. So as you can see, the closer we get to the top of my head, around like the middle area is where I'm gonna apply the wefts that have about 5 clips, because that is the longest part of my head. There are 10 wefts in total. There are 3 2Fs, 3 3Fs, 2 4Fs, and 2 5Fs. So here's the thing. I like to moisturize and define my hair in sections. So what I did once I got like 1/4 towards the way was started spraying the water. I applied my moisturizer, which is Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and their defining styling gel. Then I just go ahead and rake that through my hair and, like, you know, just try to define my curls to the best of my ability. I just styled these clip-ins the normal way that I would style my actual wash and go. So when I got it closer to the front, the goal was to angle the clip-ins in a way that you will not be able to see my twist, and make sure that I'm covering my twist really well. And just keep in mind that the leave out is going to cover the tracks on top. And now I'm going to style the leave out. And if you pay attention to my curl pattern, it's very similar to the 3C48 clip-ins that I got. And that's why I say it's so important to find a curl pattern that matches so that, you know, it's not a big difference. So the next thing that I did was take my blow dryer and just blow dry my curls. For one, I didn't want to walk around with wet hair, so I blow dried it to about 75% dry, and the blow dryer elongates curls and prevents shrinkage. So if you look closely, my hair almost looks like bangs compared to the clip-ins, but I feel like to give it more of a natural look, I wanted to take it and I wanted to slick it back with my gel and my snot and bobby pin it. For whatever reason, I feel like it made it blend a little bit better, and it felt good to sort of have my hair out of my face. Also, keep in mind that you want to cover the track that's at the top of your head with your leave out, so just be cautious of that. And I just slick my edges down and go about my business. You guys, here is the finished look. And this is one of my favorite hairstyles, not only because it looks so natural and pretty, but because it's truly a protective style and is so healthy for your hair. Now let's discuss some more details. So you guys, this is my second day rocking these clip-ins, and the first day I tried to put it on top of my regular wash and go, and I felt like it was just too much going on. I had to try to do too much blending. Because I had dyed tips a little bit still, it was harder to blend my hair in with the clip-ins, so I found it easier to do a braiding pattern underneath and just to stick the clip-ins on top of the braids. So I do recommend, if you want to keep these clip-ins for a long time, follow the directions that they put in the instruction manual in the little bag that they send you. They don't recommend that you sleep with these clip-ins. I shouldn't say I'm gonna do it anyway, but I know I'm gonna do it anyway because I did it last night and I woke up and wasn't nothing wrong with them. So don't sleep in your clip-ins, follow the directions. Now, another thing that I've heard people talking about when I watched other videos with these clip-ins was the amount of shedding. And to be honest, I did not experience a lot of shedding at all. I don't know if I just had a good batch, whatever. It was very minimal, and honestly, I feel like shedding is expected for these clip-ins because they're kinky curly hair. But yes, I feel like the fact that I finger detangled with my fingers was a big factor of why I didn't experience shedding like that. I can feel the tangles when I'm using my hand. I treated it like how I treated my hair, and I was pleasantly surprised. Also, to stay in the loop, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more updated information. I definitely will probably do a follow-up video just to show you guys how these clip-ins have been doing, as well as some other unique styles that you can do with them as well. If you guys like this video and what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Living with Lisa.